Angel on the track.
One Cummins, two Cummins, three Cummins, four. Okay, I've got my ignition mock-up here. I've got a switch which mimics your key in the on position, so when that's flipped on, the light doesn't work, but we've got positive 12 volts coming out, giving constant power to the hold coil. We've also got power going to the relay, and we've got this momentary switch that has 12 volts to it as well. When that gets shorted out, it completes the circuit in this relay and gives 12 volts to the lift magnet in that solenoid, and it will lift it up. And then we've still got 12 volts. You can crank again, you'll hear the relay click. And then when you shut the truck off, flip this down, it should go back to the off position, shuts your fuel off.
Ignition on, fuel solenoid on, starter.